Hi, the last part of Module 5, Make My Smile, is the business cards. In Publisher, go ahead and choose File, New, Built-in, Business Cards, and we're going with the radial theme. And there's our sample. The color scheme is paper. The font scheme is virtual. Make sure the business information is Make My Smile. Change the paper size to portrait. And make sure it has a check mark on Include Logo, and then choose Create. Right click the tag and choose Best Fit. And then for the doctor part, both of these lines should be font size 10. Same thing for the title underneath, size 10. And then the address will be font size 8. And also the phone number, email, and fax, also size 8. And then you can probably recenter and make the picture a little bit larger, the logo. Try to center it a little bit. Good. Then you'll choose File, Print, and it should show up as 9 per sheet. Save and submit. Thank you.